our ramp is always going to be there. Our steel ramp is the safest, strongest kind of ramp you can have in your home. It's made of the type of steel, commercial steel, that's for fire escapes. I often talk to people about Superstorm Sandy. We do a lot of work by the shore, so we were quite worried when Sandy was approaching. But as it turned out, we had nothing to worry about. We only got 2 calls of a problem. The problem was, can we please come and remove our ramp, because it's exactly where we put it. However, the house is not, and the house needs to be demolished, but our ramp stood. Wood ramps fell apart. Aluminum ramps flew away. They're in the Atlantic somewhere. But our steel ramp, because of the heaviness of it, and because the open mesh design, we always, in the past, talked about the open mesh being a wonderful asset because the rain, the snow passed through it. They're a lot less likely to get slippery. I hadn't thought about the wind and the water. So the wind swept through, but it went right through. So it didn't lift it up. All the water went through it. Helped it stay in place. So we've had fabulous experience with the product. There's nothing better.